how to suspend and pause activity in your email account in cpanel. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cpanel, this is the cpanel dashboard we see. Once you're inside cpanel, scroll to the email section and click on Email Accounts. Now you will see a list of all the email accounts that are created in cpanel. Next, select the email account that you want to suspend and pause activity. Then click the Manage button next to that email account. This will open the email account settings page. Scroll down slowly to the Restrictions section. Here you can control the activity of this email account. If you want to stop receiving emails, click the Suspend Incoming Mail button. This will prevent the account from receiving any new emails. Next, if you want to stop sending emails, click the Suspend Outgoing Mail button. This will block the account from sending emails to anyone. Finally, if you want to stop anyone from logging into the email account, click the Suspend Login button. This will completely block access in your email account. After selecting the options you need, click the Update Email Settings button. Once you click Update, all changes will be saved. And that's it. This is how you can suspend any activity in an email account inside cpanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.